Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use a gift card on Instacart. First, open the Instacart app or website. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. From there, tap Credits, Promos, and Gift Cards. Then enter your code or just add it during checkout by tapping Add Promo or Gift Card. Once it's redeemed, the balance will automatically apply to your next order. It can cover items, fees, taxes, tips, and even alcohol. Just remember, you still need a backup credit or debit card on file in case your total goes over the gift card balance. And that's it. Your Instacart gift card is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.